Drop it. And then it sinks straight up, has a little bubble. Help me put the...
That's it? Now what?
Yeah, that's it. That's all. Now you just put the cover on. So now this toilet will never create a stain, a scale. All the water that comes into the tank will be deactivated from being able to cause stains and scales in the bowl.
Are you ready to take questions from the class?
I'm ready.
How often will I need to scrub the toilet?
Never.
How many do you need for each toilet?
1 Crazy Clean per toilet.
Can you describe Crazy Clean in only 3 words?
Magical, chemical-free, effortless.
Is this safe for my cats and dogs?
Yes, absolutely.
Can you explain the science in 1 sentence?
Hydro-mineral magnets that prevent water from staining.
Why do people need this?
First, to never have to scrub your toilet again. The second would be you help save the planet 1 flush at a time.
Is it 100% chemical free?
Yes, and safe for the environment.
Is this safe for septic tanks?
Completely safely.
Does it work on all toilets?
Yes, it works on all household toilets, any toilet with a tank.
What if your toilet is already stained?
You take a pumice stone, which we can provide to you, clear away the stain in the bowl, then you put the Crazy Clean in, and the stain won't come back.
Does it work on toilets that have well water and hard water?
100% it does.
So, Steve, what's the catch?
There's no catch. It works. A shake on it,
Oh, you're old school. I like it.
guaranteed.